Been drinking no lean, I'm already half dead. Give a fuck, I'm a gangsta, I'm thug, thug. Yeah, yeah, I'm honest. Yeah.
Alright boys, we're going to be doing a little bit of like a weekend in the life type of thing, but we're going to be trying to up the quality on our videos a little bit. So I know we're going to be doing some fun shit, maybe play some basketball, maybe go to the lake tomorrow or some shit like that. But as you can see, me and Fredo are eating our daily Chipotle bowls right here.
Bro, look at this first bite.
He's just getting fatter by the minute, bro. Other than that, we'll pick up the camera when we're doing something interesting. We're gonna be doing interesting shit, so stick around for the rest of the video.
Stuck in between, like the abundance mindset. Fuck it, put the money down, like buy whatever, like you'll make it back and make more money. And in between, like, oh, I'm a retard, like I need to be smart with my money and shit like that. You're like,
I just do whatever, bro.
no, you don't have that much of an abundance mindset. Brez, that motherfucker has an abundance mindset.
I've never seen something be like, oh, let me save my money and then buy it.
Bro, I literally asked you, if you were in my situation, would you do it? You said no.
Well, 40K down is insane. My car is 20K down. I was like, shit, I'll do it right now. That's different.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm having a tough decision.
Maybe you're just fucking poor.
It's true. But you swear you're like godly at YouTube.
I never said that. I said I birthed you.
How the fuck did you birth me? Explain that.
You used to watch me in your
All right.
dorm room.
I'm not gonna lie, I used to watch Fredo's videos when I was in college.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean you birthed me, like what?
Tell that story on your YouTube.
Nah. That's a legendary story.
That's a legendary story. That's how we really met. Low-key, I did birth you, bro, once you really think about it.
Alright, bro.
Bro got his first ever agency client from me.
Should we tell the story?
You can tell. I don't even remember. You can tell it.
This was fall of 2022. When I was first starting business, I started a marketing agency. That was like the big wave at that time. That's what everyone was doing, like an SMMA type of thing. And basically my service was getting creators for TikTok, for e-commerce brands and starting TikTok pages for them. I was basically doing the TikTok shop shit before TikTok shop was even a thing. It was actually smart as shit, but I wasn't smart enough to like execute it properly. So reaching out to e-commerce brands and trying to get them creators to start TikTok pages for them to potentially blow up. So I knew Fredo and I knew he was a dropshipper and I knew he knew how to make TikToks. So the way I signed my first client was I got in touch with these guys that ran an e-com brand and I told them, I had no case studies, right? So it was hard for me to sign clients. I told them that Fredo's brand, which was a drop shipping product that he blew up, which was a water bottle bond. I told him that was my client and that the creators blowing the product up on the TikTok were my creators. And I called Fredo randomly and we barely even knew each other. We talked in DMs like once in a blue moon. I texted Fredo, I was like, yo bro, you wanna do me a favor and talk to these e-commerce dudes and act like you were my client and pretend that you were my client? And he actually did it, bro. I think I sent him like $25 or something like that.
Bro. I was like, yeah, Pierre's the best. You put me on with this, bro.
I put him in a group chat with each other. These like old ass business owners and Fredo. And Fredo was pretending like he was my client, so I had a case study. I started sending like screenshots of like Shopify dashboards.
Yeah, like the views, like millions of views.
We were like, oh yeah, we went from 0 to 50K this month. And then they signed me and I signed them for 3.5K a month. And that was the start of my career. So that was my first client.
Moral of the story, I birthed you.
Okay, but I also signed another client like 2 days later for another like 3.5K a month. So that's when I went from like 0 to making like 6K a month in like the span of a week, and that's when I dropped out of college. That's the story. That's actually a pretty interesting story, bro. But you guys got to do whatever it takes to get your first client, get your foot in the door with whatever business model it is. I don't know, but you got to figure it the fuck out.
Awesome. Well, you have my number if you want to give me a call anytime.
Yeah, 100%. Just got this thing clean.
Just make it dirty.
It's gonna be dirty. Here's the thing, we clean it, but if one person leaves something,
It just starts stacking.
so everyone's like, oh, he left something, I'm gonna leave something. It's disgusting. Like this bag right here.
It's gonna get full with trash this whole week.
People just don't use the trash can for some reason. They just start stuffing stuff in these bags. So
And the next time we get you bullet, there'll be another bag next to it. That one's gonna get filled.
so we definitely need to make sure to throw this away.
Okay.
Oh my god, you're fucking dangerous.
Oh.
I got action to go, bro.
Okay. Ow. Fuck you.
Bro, these people don't know that I was actually the GOAT at Solid. Like, I was actually supposed to go to the league. Like, I was about to go. I was about to get drafted to LA Galaxy, but God just gave me an innate calling. God just gave me an innate calling to sell courses online. So I guess that was like my calling, bro. I just always knew deep down since I was a kid that I wanted to sell courses. So I guess that's what it is. We've been playing basketball like every night, literally. I'm not gonna lie, I'm fucking trash at basketball. But it's good cardio. We're about to go play with some of the closers that live below us. They're the homies. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I feel like a girl groupie, bro, because I'm always in like, we come down the elevator and I'm deciding, oh, should I get in Brez's passenger? Should I get in the Urus passenger seat? Or should I get in the GLE passenger seat? Damn, I didn't even know that. When I was like in 7th grade, I think, bro, literally the Clippers they were trying to talk. They were trying to talk to my parents, obviously.
We're the toughest. I'm telling you, we're the toughest trio.
I don't think we've lost ever.
Oh my God, I'm so good.
I'm just a fundamental player. I just like to keep it simple.
Good shot, boy.
Oh, fucking LaMelo, bro.
Yo, I gotta
Vouch for me, vouch for me.
Hey, bro, he just did some crazy shit, bro. Good move. Good move.
Oh my God, so good. Oh. Mid-game interview?
Yeah.
Bro, he missed my insane clip, bro. I missed my crazy clip, bro. Bro, we're winning right now. 11. What is it? 11? No. 9 what? 9-6 right now. Oh my God, bro. That was 11. What? 7? I gotta go. Let's get a post-game interview. John, how does it feel, bro?
It doesn't feel good, that's for sure.
Bro,
we're missing a key player here.
Bro,
So.
pulled up with the ice and lost, bro. It's crazy.
I know,
work,
I
bro.
know. We lost a key player though.
Who's your key player?
We had a thing going with.
Who, Brez?
Yeah, Brez and yeah, we had a thing going there, bro. So we'll see next time. See you next time.
What time is it, Aries? Oh my God, now you make it.
Dude, I went 0 for 12 and then that.
Wait, John, tell them what you do. John's actually a closer at 7th level. You work for
7th level?
Or not a closer, excuse me. Explain your role.
Implementation.
Give these people some. These are some real sales demons right here. Give them some.
Yeah, bro. Full-time sales. Do sales for people like this man right here. Big plans though in the info product.
Yeah, who do you work? Tell them who you work for though.
7th level. Jeremy Miner.
So you sell sales training.
Sales training. Not a pyramid scheme.
Yeah.
Although it sounds like it.
It's not. It does sound like a pyramid scheme,
it
but
does.
it's legit though. A lot of the closers that actually work with me went through their training. Everyone says it's hella legit, so that's definitely sick.
Yeah. Y'all come hop on a sales call with me.
Yeah. Those motherfuckers literally speak woman in like closing terms. He said he hung out with a girl and it was a same day set.
Same day set. I'm like here, Kai's like right here when it comes to like when it's like on the closing calls. Like his word tracks are just better. I gotta get a little bit better.
So he closed her, same day set, and then now she's getting upsold to Kai, bro.
Yeah, she's getting upsold. She's got no idea.
And she doesn't even know,
She's
bro.
got no idea.
That's wild, bro.
She's taking his ones right now. It's bad.
How long is the program?
What do you think? Lifetime or like 6 months?
You guys definitely don't do lifetime. You're like a 3-month program
No,
type
yeah,
of
no,
guy.
I'm a 3-month program.
Not
Like
even,
employed.
dude. You think
2-month
so?
program? 1
3
month?
months?
No, not that's too long too. Well, there's only a couple girls where it's been over 3 months, like where I like talk to them. Usually it'll end.
The
before
training
that.
calls like once a month though.
Once a month. Depends.
One training call a month?
I got a little.
Do you ever have group calls with Kai?
We had a group call. We had a couple group calls.
Nah,
Yeah.
that's crazy.
We had a bad group call. Oh, one was horrible. I lost all aura.
That's crazy, bro. I didn't know it went this deep, bro.
Bro, it's like sales, bro.
If I had a one-on-one call with Kai, you could.
If you had an implementation call, we'd rip them apart. Did you guys?
Yo,
No.
So this is the work setup right here. Keep it simple, bro. That's all you need. A desk, MacBook Air, oh shit, and a Bible, bro. That's it. But you guys know, if you're in my Telegram, you know this already. But at this hour, it's 11:26 a.m. right now. At this hour, after I get out of the shower, I start tweaking off coffee,
I just start spamming voice notes. Like I just drop sauce on my Telegram. Like you guys know we got 3,600 people. I didn't even know we had that many people. Look how many voice notes I've sent, bro. Just straight sauce, bro. So that's typically what I do at this hour. Like if I really only do it if I'm tweaking off caffeine, because I just have so much energy. I just go through my DMs, see what people are asking me, like what are the common things people ask me, and I just start sending voice notes about it. That's typically the very first thing I do after I shower and start drinking coffee. But now we're about to get into some actual growth operating work, so let's go. 89% of these growth operators just be ruining it for everybody, bro.
Yeah, but I kind of get where he's coming from, bro, because if the largest people in the space of, like, whatever industry you're in, like, vlogging right now.
We're going mainstream, bro.
Who's that, Ronald, bro?
Ronald, who
You
the
look like
fuck?
this old guy that used to do sales for us.
Really?
Yeah. The first thing I typically do in the morning is just kind of go high level our CRM and just kind of see like how many calls we have booked in today for each of the offers. So if you look right here, this is for Caprice's offer. Our 2 closers right now, between both of them, it looks like we have like 5 or 6 calls today. So as you guys can see on the calendar, we try to keep at least 3 to 6 calls per day. That way we're at least hitting like 1 PIF a day. The way we're actually booking this many calls, obviously we don't have that much lead flow, is we're actually just retargeting all the people who applied for an old mastermind event a few months ago. So as you guys know, we ran like a mastermind event 2 months ago. We're retargeting them and we're saying, yo, obviously you didn't come to the mastermind, but are you still interested in working one-on-one with Caprice, etc. So that's just some sauce right there. If you guys have like old lists of people that were interested in something in the past, always retarget them and see if they would be still interested in something, because obviously they had a problem and they thought you were the solution to their problem. So if for whatever reason it didn't work out then, you can still be the solution to that problem today. So don't forget about old lists of people that you guys have from whatever, bro. It could be if they're applying for something, it could be people who opted in for some type of free lead magnet, etc. But don't let any lead go to waste, bro. That's the moral of the story. Guys, I was literally just saying, on the calendar we try to book in enough calls to at least hit 1 PIF per day. I literally just got a notification right now. A PIF right now for Caprice's high ticket, $4,000. People used to flame me like, oh bro, you don't have like the right systems and shit like that. No, I was making more money than all of them. Mentally masturbate with all these little systems and like fucking automations and shit like that. When I literally just started implementing like all those systems and shit like that. But in reality, you just need to get proof of concept and actually get shit done. People like to play around with like all these fucking Zapier automations and shit.
That's what he does. He just plays with
automating
automating
it's a fucking common beginner.
You're gonna have to play with it.
Like, you think you're working, I'm not saying you, but just for an example, like beginners will think they're working by like drawing on a Miro board and like mapping out a plan and like figuring out automations and shit. But in reality, you don't even have proof of concept, you haven't even made money yet. So people used to make fun of me like, oh, he doesn't even know what he's doing, but I was making more money than all of them because I actually just get shit done and then I implement the systems later. Brother, oh brother. This is the most Arizona you could get. It's like the Grand Canyon right here or some shit. I don't know. Yeah, this is Arizona's version of beaches, bro.
Zoom in on the people on the rock.
This is like luxury for Arizona residents right now. Do some lake activities, like go on a tube or something. Brez always talks about this type of shit, but he's not here today, but we're about to try it out, see how it is.
You're roasting that family, just living life down there.
I wasn't roasting him. He was.
He saw a brown family and said, look, that's you and your family.
I never
always says that.
I never said that, bro. No. I love my Mexican brothers and sisters, my Guatemalan brothers and sisters, my Colombian brothers and sisters. Right?
Calls me Platano, most racist shit.
Platano? What? Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh, are you good? Oh, that had to have hurt, bro. Hey, aura.
Minus 3,000 aura.
Right there. We're on the boat right now. We're about to go in the canyon or some shit like that. We're about to get on a tube and get dragged by a boat. Hold my phone tight. I've never done it before. That's all good. We're about to try it out. Oh shit, we got one off! Bro needs a life jacket, that's insane. It's a 3-foot rock. Bro's asking for a life jacket.
I can't swim, bro. You know what they say.
Hey, someone gotta watch the boat. Yeah, me
I didn't like that, I'm not gonna lie. I wouldn't do it again.
I wouldn't. You can't catch me dead doing that shit. I feel like I saved my life. Like I'm grateful for that.
Or you're trying to close me on?
Oh, I'm trying to close you.
Yeah, you're trying to close me.
Do like an offer though.
On Fredo's offer, Inner Circle.
Dude,
okay.
Inner Circle 4K offer.
Give me an objection.
Yes. How do you want to proceed from here?
Just need some time to think about it.
Oh, that's not a worry. Like, do you feel like what we actually went over today, like, can get you to your goals up?
Yeah, it's just
what parts though?
if I had like the right mentor, you know.
Okay. So, like, before you do go and think about it though, like, what is it actually like is coming up for you that makes you want to do so though?
I mean, I just need some time to think about it. Like, it's a lot of money for me right now.
Like, money aside, would you do it?
Yeah, money aside.
Why though?
Because I definitely think that you know, Fredo could get me to
Yeah,
like
but
take that
besides Fredo, like, why would you do it though? Personally.
Honestly, bro, I just want to quit my 9 to 5. Like,
Okay.
I'm done with this shit.
And what would that allow you to do though?
I mean, I could, you know, take care of my mom, like move out.
Okay. Because like you not being able to make money right now, do you feel like that's a problem or a symptom of the problem?
Correct, yeah.
So how much longer do you want to continue focusing on the symptom instead of the problem?
Yeah, I just don't know, like, if Fredo's the right person to mentor.
Can I share a perspective with it?
Yeah.
So right now it sounds like you know, you're on this like bridge right now, and with uncertainty comes fear and adversity. Right. So you're on point A of the bridge, you're on the left side. Is it fair to say you're not who you want to be?
Yeah, I'm definitely not who I want to be.
Okay. So on the right side is everything you ever want, right? The money, the financial freedom, you retiring your mom, all these different things. The thing is, you have to cross that bridge yourself. You know, I've crossed the bridge for myself. Fredo has.
Alright, fucking send me the payment link.
Alright boys, that pretty much wraps up the video. Let me know down below if you guys fuck with these higher quality type of videos. It's just kind of something I'm playing around with, trying to find like my style on YouTube, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, it's back to the grind. I know it looks like from this vlog, you're probably like, bro, this guy just fucks off all day. I promise you it's not normally like that, but what I have realized is that I need to allow myself just to do random shit sometimes, you know what I'm saying? And just kind of step away from work, because I promise you, once you actually start getting a lot of work and having a big workload, work-life balance is actually important to like fucking relax for a few days or whatever it is. But I promise you it was not like that in the beginning. I don't believe that work-life balance should be fucking existent in the beginning. It definitely wasn't existent for me. I think everyone in like the first year of business is just straight on grind mode, you know what I'm saying? But this whole week, bro, we're back to the money. Ran up a little Webby for Brez yesterday, did all right. But just kind of stepping back to figure out what I need to do for the week, scale, sign more clients, etc. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to join my Telegram, follow me on Instagram and DM me. I send voice notes every single day about growth operating in my daily life, just some motivation stuff. If you want to join that, follow me on Instagram, I'll leave it down below. DM me, I'll send you a link to my Telegram. Other than that, I'll catch you boys in the next video.